Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Bosch washing machine error code E36. To fix Bosch washing machine error code E36 you have to follow some step. First of all you have to turn off the washing machine and unplug it from the power source. And the error code E36 typically indicate an issue with the door lock. Ensure the door is properly closed and the lock mechanism is not obstructed. After that, open the door and examine the door lock mechanism for any visual damage or obstruction. Then clean the door lock area to remove any debris that might be causing the issue. After that, plug the washing machine back in and turn it on. Try to reset the machine by holding the start pause button for about 5 to 10 seconds. After resetting, run a short wash cycle to see if the error code reappears or your issue has been fixed or not. Hopefully this video help you to fix your Bosch washing machine error code E36, and if you want to buy the product I'll give you the link in the description. Hopefully this video help you. Thanks for watching.